everyone's probably so sick of seeing Henry mow, but he's just so cute when he does it. He's so little. He's already done the whole yard on both sides. And now he's doing just the center. And he's, hey, you. Are you a big girl in the cart? Penelope. Hey. Penelope, are you feeling a little bit better today?
I got this because I put a quarter in a gumball thing. I thought it took 50 cents.
Oh, and you got a gumball with your own money.
I found it behind a machine in Walmart.
All right, let's get these all unloaded in here.
Find it in Walmart. I use it.
Think we're
We
gonna
have
be able to
millions
make
of
it
baby
fit?
food.
We do. You help. The
Wait,
bad thing
why
is,
is your man-
I have a bunch of stuff in here. Let's see if we can make this happen.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you missed it. I was driving and oh my gosh, I hit a bird and it flew up from the grill and it hit the windshield and its guts were all over the windshield. Oh my gosh,
They're
I'm
washed
so glad
away.
it's raining and washed away. It was so gross.
I missed it.
I can't believe you missed it.
I'm here.
Oh,
I saw it all the time.
oh,
I was like
so
freaking out. Like, what
gross.
happened?
You guys were so busy eating your food you didn't notice. It was so
I noticed. Nuggets.
gross. Okay, shut it off.
Why?
Okay, this is the craziest thing.
We hit another bird.
A second bird. We hit a second. Is it the weather? The weather's being so weird. We're supposed to get this huge storm, but we just got in the garage and I'm trying to calmly
When I was mowing,
realize
birds were just
that
like flying out, like 10 feet around my lawnmower.
something's going on with birds today. We killed 2 birds with our car. That's like the weirdest thing ever.
Seconds. Minutes. Within minutes.
It was weird.
And I got
gross.
gum.
It's windy. There's a tornado watch. Taking the flag down. I already got my flowers in and the pillows off the couch. Ooh, I keep getting weather alerts on my phone. I don't know if we're really getting some.
Did you get any of that?
No, it's pretty much garbled. See what they say.
What else is storm watching?
Come over out of the wind and try it again. Your pager on open channel?
Yeah, but I have it covered.
Yeah, that might have. Yeah, they were terrible for standing next to you.
What's that?
She said your signals are really poor, and I said, yeah, I couldn't hardly hear it.
Ooh, it's really storming. Hey, I like your new shirt. Did you show Papa your new shirt?
So I told him, I said, hey man, way too fast.
You're way too fast.
Way too fast.
Hey, are you smiling? You're teething, baby. We gotta keep you naked because you're making all your clothes wet. Hey, show me your shirt. Way too fast. You're miss. Oh, did you see
Did you
that
get that?
lightning?
Did you get it?
Yeah, it doesn't show up very good on here. Harrison, did you see it? Catch some more lightning.
Gotta get some more whipping. Whipping. Lightning.
Ooh.
Lightning. That's 2 lightnings.
Papa said it's cloud to cloud, not cloud to ground.
What? Cloud to cloud?
Yep, that means it's horizontal lightning. Not.
Baby lightning.
It's just baby lightning.
It can't come down to the ground.
Tell Papa to be safe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Don't get struck by lightning.
Wow.
That lightning was
It's sitting on the
cool.
ground over there.
It's crazy lightning out here, Owen. Bring your dinner and come and watch it. Did Henry make you that?
Yeah.
He's so nice.
Bye, Papa. Bye.
Thanks for making Owen dinner.
It's not even like 1,000 miles away.
Did you make Owen dinner?
Yes, it is.
Nelson's ready. He's on storm watch.
I don't think it's going south of us. I think it's going to go right over the top of us, but yeah, according to the radar, the red's going like right over the top of us, and I mean the brunt of it might go a little bit south. I don't know, but it's still gonna. I don't know. It looks pretty ominous no matter which direction you look. So, yeah. I know. It's like the calm before the storm here, and everything's gonna hit all at once. So, okay. Is anybody out west of town anymore, or is it just me out here at my house? Okay, alright, well, I might run down there in a little bit before it gets to be raining too hard or something, before I get trapped, so, okay, alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, bye.
Who is that?
That's Josh.
Joshua.
I don't know.
Is he spotting on the...
No, they're all down at the station right now. It might miss us a little bit, but...
From 301, Indians fire on blue, fireground blue for station 2.
How red it is over there.
What's that mean?
Isn't that weird? It's just weird.
Ooh, that was a good one. Well, Harrison, be quiet. We've been banned to the basement.
I got a flashlight.
Earlville is all red.
Up here is Earlville.
Newark is right here.
Morris, what are they saying? It's gonna hit Morris?
Yeah, Newark is Newark's right behind them in the yellow.
And what happens is that wall cloud, you'll see eventually a funnel cloud will develop and then drop down and makes contact with the surface. Then that's technically when it becomes a tornado.
And for all of these viewers who are just tuning in right now, can you just catch everybody up on exactly what we are looking at and how big is this? A massive storm that is headed our way? Just bring us up to date.
They close that door.
Of thunderstorms. Let's widen all the way out if we can, Joey.
Okay, what are they going to tell us?
This thing all the way back and show Chicago. All right, you can see this isn't a massive system. There's a cold front that stretches from the north
Joliet.
east to the southwest. And ahead of
This
that
is the
boundary, interacting with what was left over from the storms earlier today, we're seeing these
That my
thunderstorms,
Kankakee,
that
right?
are steered by the winds.
Are you guys playing and being good?
Got a fort.
They are moving essentially from west.
Harrison, go in the fort.
So far, the city of Chicago has been spared, although
Peek out at us.
what we're starting to see. Little areas of thunderstorms popping up near more thunderstorms there. But all of the severe weather.
I got my Joliet, right?
Where's the severe coming?
That will stay south of Chicago.
Little storm's coming down here.
That means
Severe
us.
area moving this way. Like moving down this. Well, they're gonna come down and curve back
Harrison.
at Chicago.
Usual all civil units available returning.
Henry's ready with his flashlight.
We got radio over there.
Plugged in.
All the way into the wee hours of the morning.
And just curious.
Penelope, you don't have any cares in the world.
Earlville, Sheridan.
The blue box, that's a flash flood warning.
Okay.
These storms
Can you do
No.
these? Can you do these?
What happened?
Oh.
We lost signal.
No.
County,
Yep,
the northern
for just a
district
second.
counties are under tornado
Harrison, don't
watch.
jump rope right now.
Till 11 o'clock. South suburbs across northwest
Tornado watch till 11. We're just gonna chill out and hang out in here.
To do
So Dad gets back to the firehouse. Cause he's a firefighter.
To seek shelter immediately. Go to your safe place.
Go to your safe place. Are we in our safe place?
Yes.
Morris is green, but
Hi! Are we in our safe place?
Morris is green, but Morris is right away.
Oh, nice and clean and a mess. We're gonna have to get new carpet and put everything back. Well, that was a bummer. Thanks for all your help.